Well, we used the 135 Pro Sefaspe welder to weld this broken A-arm up. Turned out pretty good, I think. Oh yeah, she's gonna hold. I ain't going nowhere. All right, guys, you gotta check this out. We got the 135 Pro Sefaspe 3-in-1 welder we're gonna try out today. These are great little machines here. This thing will do stick, TIG, and MIG flux. It's not a gas. You don't need gas on this welder. Also comes with the little spool, brand new spool. Also, they got a new and improved clamp now. And this thing's pretty stout compared to the old version. They actually sent me this upgraded one to test out. 120 volt, turn on, fan turns on, will run all the time. We got her cranked up and wires already loaded. We got her cranked all the way up, 135. We'll see what she'll do here. Not too bad for a flux core. All right, cleaned up pretty good. Now we'll try a stick weld. So the settings we got here, we got flux core, you got 035 setting, 040 stick, and lift tick. So we're gonna go to stick. All right, we're gonna try some 7014 3/32 rod. Look at that. That is nice. That's maxed out at 135. Look at that. Tell you what, for what this welder costs, if you guys weekend warrior, just small garage, you need to tack something together, that's pretty darn good, I will say. Now we're gonna do a little TIGging. Now remember, the TIG torch don't come with this. This is my TIG torch. Well, I'll be darned, holy cow. That's actually pretty good. Pretty thick metal though, but it's getting her done at 135. Wow. It's pretty impressive, I will say. For what? I think this welder's like $100 on Amazon. Just think if a guy put some filler metal in there, that's pretty smooth. Well, all I got is a coat hanger for some filler rod. We're gonna walk over this. That's not horrible. I'm not the best TIG welder. I don't do it very often. But there you have that. Pretty impressive for a $100 machine. And on 120 volts. Crazy. What we're going to be fixing here is this lower A arm. Kind of thin. Got the top fixed. I have to put a little bit of metal on that bottom. She's been running pretty good. I'll give it that. See how much wire we used. Nice and tight. Well, we used the 135 Pro Sefaspe welder to weld this broken A-arm up. Turned out pretty good, I think. Oh yeah, she's gonna hold. I ain't going nowhere. As you can see, I got a lineup of them. Got the small little guy, got the medium one. This is a wire, this is wire. They'll do TIG, even this one will do TIG. This is stick. These are a combination. This is 3-in-1. Do lip TIG, stick, and wire. Flux. And I'm gonna tell you right now, they all work really well. For the price, you can't beat them. If you're working at a garage, small garage, just want to teach your kids how to weld or something like that, these are great ones to do. Hands down.